In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background in Gemini. We will walk through each click together so beginners can follow along easily. First, open your browser and search Gemini. Type Gemini into the address bar or your usual search box, then press Enter. You should see results that mention Gemini from Google near the top. Take a moment to scan the page so you can spot the official Gemini site, which usually shows the Gemini logo and a short description about the AI. If you already had a different page open, make sure this new search tab is the one you are looking at now. Once the results appear, click the correct link. Look for the official Gemini page from Google, not an ad for something unrelated. The correct link usually starts with the Google address, and you may see wording about Gemini or AI chat. When you click it, your browser will load the Gemini interface. After the page loads, you should see the main Gemini chat area with a text box near the bottom and some example prompts or cards above it. If the page looks very different from that, go back to the results and check that you clicked the right Gemini link. Now that Gemini is open, click the settings gear icon in the top right or the bottom left corner. Depending on your screen size or layout, the gear might appear in either of those spots. Move your mouse slowly along the top right area and then the bottom left if you do not see it at first. The gear icon usually looks small and gray. When you click it, a settings menu will appear on the screen. You might see options for your account, data, and appearance gathered in one panel. If the menu does not show up, click the gear again once and wait a moment for it to open. Next, hover over or click Theme. In the Settings panel, look for a line labeled Theme in the Appearance or Display section. Move your mouse over Theme and pause there. On some layouts, simply hovering will open a small submenu. On others, you need to click Theme to expand it. Either way, you should now see choices for different background styles. A small highlight or border usually shows which option is currently active, which is useful if you forgot what you used before. With that ready, select Light, Dark, or System, which matches your computer operating system settings. Click Light if you want a bright background with dark text, which is easier to see in well-lit rooms. Click Dark if you prefer a darker background that reduces glare, especially helpful at night. Choose System if you want Gemini to follow whatever theme your computer is already using, including automatic day and night switching. As soon as you click one of these, the Gemini background changes right away, so you can instantly see the new look before closing settings. You have now opened Gemini and changed its background theme to light, dark, or system to match your own setup. So if this helped, please give the video a quick thumbs up. And if you want more short Gemini tips, feel free to subscribe as well.